Where is the circle of action? So now we start circle of action. मेरा phone ला बेटे. The circle of action. Startup India scheme. चलो चलो चलो. बहुत हो गया अभी. So there is a problem of joblessness. Agreed. How do you address it? Can you think of why are you looking for a job? Hello? Why are you looking for a job? Why don't you start something of your own? And the government is giving you that benefit, no? The government is giving you that benefit, right? Government is giving that benefit. That benefit is called as to I'm looking at my WhatsApp because some of you will send WhatsApp when I'm speaking also, right? It is called as a Startup India scheme. So my half an hour is over. I'm starting the next half an hour for business people. Excuse me, sir, please register yourself for Startup India. If you're trying something new, please register for Startup India. You will get self-certification. This license Raj is over. Hello, students. Think of becoming entrepreneurs. Don't think of capital. I'll talk about private equity very soon now. Right? Has self-certification, tax exemption for 3 years. अरे चिंदी चोर मत बनो यार. तुम लोग tax चोरी मत करो. Tax exemption लो. आप लोग प्रॉफिट एडजस्टमेंट में मत लो यार. काम वैल्यूएशन का खेल खेलो ना यार. Tax exemption लो. Legally you can exempt yourself from tax. Why are you doing this tax avoidance? वो जमाना चला गया अभी. वैल्यूएशन सोचो. आज कैसा आया वैल्यूएशन? हम लोग हंस रहे हो ओयो के ऊपर. मैं बोल रहा हूँ हंस रहा है क्यों हंस रहे हो? ओयो का आज भी वैल्यूएशन देखो. We take pride in somebody else's failure. आज भी वैल्यूएशन देखना उसका क्या है. Tax exemption, easy winding up of company. So this is a one big problem in India that you can't wind up your company very soon. You can't wind up your company very soon. But that also the government is saying, okay, we'll allow you to wind up if you are registered in Startup India. Excuse me, sir, please take a screenshot of this very important thing, right? Patent application IPR protection is given. The government gives you subsidies. Public procurement norms. I'm not talking about stimulus package. That is a separate discussion altogether. I'm talking about Startup India scheme. I'm not talking about stimulus package. SIDBI, there is a fund of funds. Can all of you please use your smartphones quickly and please type have 50 plus schemes given for startups and you'll get an answer. 50 plus schemes given for startups. Can you quickly type that and see that? And you should be astonished. I can't put 50 schemes here. Please do it now in front of me. It'll give me 2 minutes breather and see who all are participating. Love you all. Chalo, chalo, abhi karo 2 minutes. Nitin is there, my kid. Novelty is there. Akash Goel, Akash Shetty. Chalo, chalo, aap log karo. Main dekh raha hai. Captain Salil, my God. Sir is always there. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Very senior person. Amol Shinde again. Very good. Yeah. This is getting into an audience. What's up? Who's this? Wow. You all look at it. I'm just looking at I'm not going to dictate. Vinod sir, thank you, sir. Vinod sir, again, always. Ishan is there. Harish Menon sir. Harish Menon sir can be unmuted. He will always have something to add. KC Sethi sir, thank you very much, sir. I was looking for you only. Bund community president, right? Always encouraging youngsters. Startup is the way to go. Thank you all of you all. Prasad has joined. I can't acknowledge each one of you all. Thanks, Priyanka. Rekha, thank you, bete. God bless. Yep. Thanks. Unnati, thank you, bete. Unnati is a dear colleague. Vaibhav, yes. Okay. Can you see that 50 plus startups? Have you had a look? Unmute you. Anyone at random unmute. Let them say yes. Then I will continue. 50 plus schemes for startups. At random unmute somebody.
Okay.
He say yes, I continue. No, for Indian startups, sir. Whom you unmuted, please, Mona?
Abhishek.
Abhishek, unmute. Mila kya? Ink42.com. Ink42.com. Mona, just unmute one more person, please. I want to just get an yes so that I can continue.
Okay. Akash Sethi.
Akash, mila kya re bache? Okay, since I'm not getting a response, I'll dictate some of the schemes. Class, that's okay. It is at ink.com. Ink.com. Okay. And what is the benefits? It is given industry-wise benefits. This is something I've taught my students. So you will have schemes for IT services, note. You will have schemes for agriculture, Department of Electronics, software. There is industry-wise, it is there, right? Don't think अरे मेरे लिए नहीं है, अरे नीचे नीचे जा रहे बाबा, सबके लिए है. And don't tell me you have to bribe them to get this. बाबा इंडिया है, रोना नहीं है. Agriculture, agripreneur रहना चाहिए. That's a big thing for you all. Venture capital assistance scheme. What is venture capital? Venture capital is somebody who will invest in equity of your company, who will invest in equity of your company, and that is where they will grow your company, right? We will discuss venture capital in 2 minutes. So these are people who will invest, right? There is one scheme where I saw that marketing, 50% of the cost is borne by, if you are marketing, 50% of the cost the government will give, okay? And that is applicable for everybody, right? So I'm going to one scheme, MSME Market Development Scheme. So startup scheme number 16, inc42.com. Then you can see the schemes. This is all there. Somebody is taking this money away. You are not taking it. Somebody is taking it away. No, please go ahead and apply for it. And don't tell me, sir, they are not passing it. You know how it works in India, right? So this is about startup scheme. I'm moving further with your permission. And there is one more which I'll discuss in detail, which is called as Make in India. So India is going to be promoted as a manufacturing hub. And because India is promoted as a manufacturing hub, basically there are a lot of things that is coming in. So can I give you some very important tips? Before that, Harissa, you want to pass any one or two things here at this stage? Harissa? So can I just quickly repeat what I said? I said that we did something very simple. We talked about what is called as GDP. We said India is doing well, right? We measured GDP in terms of PPP and market exchange rate. Then we said that there is a problem in India, that is unemployment. And then immediately I switched over to practice. I said, please look at Startup India scheme. This half an hour is for all the entrepreneurs. Startup India scheme. Whenever you're doing something, please register under Startup India scheme. Form a new company. Your tax rate manufacturing has been dropped to 15%, 1-5. It has been dropped to 15%. If it is registered under Startup India, it is exempted for 3 years. It is exempted for 3 years. After 3 years, you will be taxed at only 15%. Right? Money is available today. It is called as venture capital funds. You can go to SIDBI. Yes, you have angel investors. If you have got a good idea, I can connect you to Mumbai Angels. Okay, you may find somebody in your network itself. Tai is doing a good job. I can connect you to some colleagues. I'm myself taking some sessions for Tai Hubli, right? The angel network is very important to encourage entrepreneurship. The idea is very simple. They will invest in equity of your company. After some time, they will make an exit. How do they make an exit? Is very simple. They will make an exit either by going to the stock exchange. That means you're going to be a listed company. You're going to be a listed company, or they will sell it to somebody else. The classic example of the startup, before you say aisa hota nahi hai, please look at what has happened in Flipkart. So before you say ye sab kali US mein hota hai, please look at Flipkart. I know some of us have this attitude, are India mein nahi hota hai. Please look at Flipkart and look at 13,000 crores that this money made. Please look at the number of zeros in 13,000 crores. Then make fun of people. Okay, look at how the employees retired, right, in Flipkart by getting what is called as ESOPs. So India में भी होता है रे, ऐसा नहीं कि इंडिया में नहीं होता है. वो आप लोग पढ़ते हैं गूगल के बारे में, बट इंडिया में भी स्टोरीज है. फ्लिपकार्ट है, आज भी आप लोग ओयो का मजाक उड़ाते हैं, बट दैट गाय इज स्टिल डूइंग एक्सट्रीमली वेल. एंड टुमारो एयरबीएनबी में बाय हिम आउट and he'll walk away happy. We make fun of Oyo. We make fun of Ola. Ola may sell out tomorrow to Uber, and he may laugh. He may be laughing his way to the bank. Some of us have pride in saying Gopinath is a failed entrepreneur. Are common sense, yaar. Air Deccan failed. Why are you getting happy about it? Second, Gopinath has never failed. He sold the baby to Vijay Mallya and he got his money. So please understand, funds are available. You have to look around. Right? And one area which I would request all of you all to please look around is visit SEBI's site. Visit SEBI's site and you will see the list of private equity players. Look at angel investor and please visit what is called as Mumbai Angels Network. Please visit what is called as Mumbai Angels Network. Harish sir, any comments here, because I'm going to the mantras. Harish sir said he will join for some time. Harish sir. We continue the discussion. This is my request to all of you all. This is my contact. I'm not done. I'm saying this because moment I show this slide, you people disconnect. So that's why I'm going faster. होता है रे, सबका agenda है, मुझे मालूम है life में. This is where you can connect me. Menon Mantras, for those who are new to my class, this is where you should understand that we are doing something practical here. Here is the Menon Mantras. So 2 days Menon Mantras right here. One is understanding IRR function. That's already been uploaded. Look up the amortization chart, PMT. EMI stands for equated monthly installments. It has 2 parts, that is interest and principal component. Please clearly understand. If first day pe ho gaya, please watch the videos. I'm just putting it down there because last time I didn't do it. Please understand reducing balance method. Please understand flat interest rate, right? Always negotiate on your loans. I hope you have converted your rate to repo rate. Please do that. There is no prepayment penalty on housing loans. Again and again, I'm saying that. Approach the banking ombudsman. India's GDP has slowed down considerably. Yes, I agree. But then what is the opportunity for us? One way is you can keep crying. But other way is think about startups. Today you can avoid tax. You need not pay tax. You can register yourself as a startup. If you still can get into Make in India, as I'll convince you all tomorrow, then even more better. Respect the contribution of remittances. We need to give our best to build the Indian economy today. So that's where the businessman starts coming in. Startup India is a very good scheme for entrepreneurs. Please refer to inc42.com. 50 plus benefits, stimulus package, Make in India and new company formation is the way forward to success. I will discuss the Make in India a bit later, right? And I will discuss the new firm formation a bit later, okay? I will not take questions at this stage. What I will do is I will just come back here and I would like to show you something on, I have still 10 minutes, which is extremely good. I want to show you some good on the stimulus package, what is being done. Before that, before I get to stimulus package, please understand, dear colleagues, in stimulus package, there are 2 things. One is you can keep crying that we did not receive anything from the government, but please understand this government is broke. The 2 problems that the government is facing is, please note this word, fiscal deficit and current account deficit. Fiscal deficit is basically the Indian government's expenditure is far more than Indian government's income. Okay, so Indian government's expenditure is far more than Indian government's income. When it is done at personal level, we call it personal deficits. When it is done at personal level, it is called as personal deficit. When it is done at corporate level, it is called as corporate deficits. I would like to interact here with straight away with Manju. Manju, can you unmute this dear colleague, please? Manju, I've got a question for you because then I can quickly go ahead. Manju, suppose you have a personal deficit. Manju, unmute ya Anto?
Yes, sir. I gave her permission to unmute.
Manju, can you unmute, bete? Okay, I think she's shy. Can somebody raise your hand now? I've got a simple question to ask. Colleagues, I don't want to go one way because then the class will get boring. So if you're coming to my class, get into interactive mode. Otherwise, watch my videos. It's anyway there, no? Class should be interactive. I'll tell you, I'll select one of, I don't know Manju, that's why she didn't come. Any of my students, they will be much more bold. Manas is my student, he's rocking. A simple question here, if you are running a deficit, Jaisa is very serious. If you're running a deficit, how will you bridge the deficit? Simple question. Abhi isme bhi ye log answer nahi karega to kya bolega? Right? Can I give it to Harsh Doshi? Harsh, bete bologe? You are earning 90 rupees and you ended up spending 100 rupees. How will you bridge that 10 rupees? Harsh?
Hello, yes, sir. I can hear you.
Bolna bache. Thank you, bache. You are earning 90 rupees and you have spent 100 rupees. How will you bridge that?
Profit margins?
नहीं. ये महीना आपने 90 rupees कमाया, लेकिन खर्चा 100 हुआ ये महीने के लिए. तो क्या करोगे आप? बच्चे कॉम्प्लिकेट नहीं करना फाइनेंस. Keep it simple. You are earning 90 rupees. You have already spent 100 rupees. Quickly answer. How will you bridge that 10 rupees? I'll give you one last hint. You have friends around you. क्या रे?
increase.
अरे वो सब
sale.
बाद में increase सब बाद में. गौरव तू बोल रहे. गौरव जैन, you are earning only 90 and you spend 100. वो increase सब बाद में आएगा. ये महीना क्या करोगे? गौरव जैन. Gaurav.
Sir, short loan.
Thank you, love you sir. Borrowing, so the big problem in India is, thank you. Hey, interactive रखना यार. Some of you are unmute करने के बाद भी नहीं आ रहा है, मजा नहीं आ रहा है. Then watch the video, no. Thank you गौरव जी. अरे बच्चे तू भी बराबर था बेटे, लेकिन अभी वो बाद में आएगा, right दोषी, right? Please understand that is what is happening. Government is crowding out by borrowing. So India's biggest problem is government is crowding out borrowing. And that is why interest rates in India is higher than other economies, because government, there is a limited pie and government itself is borrowing so much. So now somebody asks you a question, when will India's interest rate come down? When the government bridges its fiscal deficit, when the government borrows less. Simple answer. And for that, how will the government bridge the fiscal deficit? Very simple answer. As the Doshi was saying, government will have to increase its income. And what is the income government will have to increase? Taxes. That is why government is coming out with a reform. That reform is called as failed reform or half-baked reform, GST, goods and services tax. Half-baked. If you ask people, they laugh, especially businessmen. There are 5 rates. Second thing, businessmen, please note DTC, direct tax code. I hope you have been talking to your chartered accountants. Direct tax code, very big benefits. Next class, I'm going to talk to you all about new company formation. If you're not ready to wait for next class, next week, please go to my brother's website, Professor Jaishankar LearnFin. He has put a video on new company formation and how the rates are lower. LearnFin, right, is the website. Please, YouTube channel, please go there and see his videos, wonderful videos. So government is doing something now. Government has to increase its income, as Doshi said. How? By increasing the tax collection. But the government is doing something, reducing the tax and increasing compliances. Having said that, the government is playing a bet that more and more people will pay taxes. That is why our respected Prime Minister in courts tried demonetization. So he thought that more and more people will pay up courts. The numbers are mixed here, right? The compliance has improved. एक डर बढ़ गया लोगों में, but people are still fighting their way out of the system. Demonetization failed basically because, right, Indians found a loophole out of the system, right? Second thing, as you very correctly said, Bache, government has to reduce its expenditure, and that is exactly where subsidies come into play. Subsidies come into play, which the government will have to reduce its subsidy bill. And how does it reduce its subsidy bill? Very, very simple. It has to be targeted subsidies. That is where government has done what is called as DBT, direct benefits transfer. DBT stands for direct benefits transfer. Earlier, there was a lot of leakage from the system. Now the government is directing the subsidies. Now that I've given you the theory, I request all of you all to see, if you're doing something in startup, fintech is also one area you should explore. The government also wants you. So the theory says Indian government has a fiscal deficit. How is it bridging? As my lovely kid said, thank you for the participation. Maja aa gaya. Is government is going across at borrowing. But that can't keep continuing, because somewhere the government will have to default, like what happened in Greece. So the government is doing simultaneously what Doshi said, increasing income. How? By reducing the tax rate and increasing number of people who are paying taxes. 2 types of taxes. Direct taxes is proportional to your income. Indirect taxes is not proportional to your income. Indirect taxes, all of us are talking about GST, but also please talk about DTC, direct tax code. Having said that, government is also planning to reduce subsidies. When the government reduces subsidies, it is not reducing subsidies, targeting subsidies. And that's exactly where fintech is going to come into play. The other deficit that the government is having is what is called as current account deficit. What is current account? Current account is something to do with foreign exchange. So the government is finding a big problem that imports are greater than exports. Imports are greater than exports. And imports are greater than exports. That means this again cannot last. That is where the government is trying to reduce imports. But for that, we need import substitution. All entrepreneurs here, can you think of import substitution? Second way the government is bridging the export, right, the current account deficit is by encouraging exports. Current account has got something to do with foreign exchange theory. Imports, exports. Import greater than exports. How will you do bridge the current account deficit? Simple, reduce imports. So can all of you entrepreneurs please think about how do you come with import substitution products? Some of you are doing it. Or can you think of exports? Excuse me, the definition of MSME has been changed. And in the definition of MSME, please understand very nicely they have kept the turnover from exports away. So that means the government itself is saying, please export and help the country get foreign exchange. I hope all of you are aware that there is a new definition of MSME, right, in which many of you all can qualify. Not somebody big, but many of you all. There's a new definition that's come in. Fiscal deficit, current account deficit. Another big problem that has come into India is inflation. But I will not talk about inflation because next class, I would like to talk about inflation and monetary policy. Inflation and monetary policy. I will take a pause here. Again, I'm requesting all of you all, today's major takeaway is right here on the screen, right? I'm going to just try and unmute Hari sir if he wants to say two things. The major takeaways, sorry, I didn't give you the Menon Mantra on first, here it is. Today's major work that you have to do is on startup, look at import substitution, look at export promotion. Please visit ECGC. If you don't have a connect, write to me. I will give you a connect. Please register yourself for Udyog Aadhar. I've been saying this so many times that now I'm not even writing it, right? Please register for Udyog Aadhar, right? And please understand the country is going through a very bad patch. The bad patch is very simple. It's in terms of, right, fiscal deficit and current account deficit. That's an area of concern. What is the area of action for you all? Can you think about being an entrepreneur? Can you think like an intrapreneur? If you're joining a firm, as an employee, can you think like a businessman? That's called as intrapreneur. INTRAPRENEUR, intrapreneur. Yes, before I take questions, I write some very important announcements. I understand there is a mixed crowd, right? I love you. Thank you, sir, for this wonderful feedback. The class will start at 7 o'clock on Friday. 30 minutes, I will answer question for students. Business people not welcome. This is my contribution to society. So only students who are looking for jobs should come from 7 to 7:30. I will answer your questions as much as possible. 7:30 to 8:30 will be the class where I will talk both theory and practice. तो आपको खाली theory नहीं आएगा. आज का 3 चीज मैंने मंत्रास बोला है बाबा, वो जरा देखो, स्टार्टअप देखो, 15% टैक्स बचाओ, अभी उस पर स्टडी करो. डोंट गो बैक टू योर चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट, खुद पढ़ो है उस पर क्या स्कीम है, मेरे पास आ जाओ, बता देता हूँ. लर्न फिन का वीडियो देख लो. 8:30 9:15 वो थोड़ा 45 मिनट्स में एक्स्ट्रा दे रहा हूँ, बिजनेस के क्वेश्चंस आंसर करेगा. ओनली रिक्वेस्ट इज आई विल डू इट फ्री इफ यू कैन डोनेट टू द हंगर कलेक्टिव. आप लोग का कॉन्शियस है तो आप डोनेट कीजिए, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. आई डोंट माइंड. It starts with 200 rupees. You can even donate 100 rupees. I don't mind, right? And most important announcement, thank you for this lovely feedback, sir. There is a sponsorship that I'm inviting. I will put your logos, right? It's 10,000 rupees for 4 sessions, right? That also you don't need to give it to me. You can donate to Hunger Collective. You can donate to Hunger Collective. Having said that, please note, next time when I discuss, so what have we discussed today? Wonderful. We talked about GDP, GNP, we talked about remittances. See what all we covered. GDP, GNP, remittances, fiscal deficit, enjoyed, na? Current account deficit, we talked about GST, we talked about subsidies, we talked about DBT, right? We talked about Startup India, we talked about new company formation, right? Today's discussion, we talked about new company formation. We also touched upon Make in India. I didn't talk much about stimulus package because I'm going to upload that video, already done. So I'll upload that video for you all. Yes, I did talk about Udyog Aadhar registration. All of you all should do. I also said that there is a new definition for Udyog Aadhar, which you should all immediately go across, right, and do it, right? So, right, around 15 points I mentioned. Before I take questions, I have 2 minutes. Hari sir, you want to say something, sir? I don't find any other teacher there, Hariharan sir or somebody there. Anybody wants to say something? Anybody wants to contribute, please raise your hands. Not somebody who wants to ask questions. Anybody who wants to say something, can you raise your hand? This is your forum, please. Last two. Are Nath, God bless. Anybody wants to say something, can you raise your hands and please speak?
Sir, Mr. Rahul Pai.
Yes, Rahul sir, boliye na. Rahul sir? Mone next person no godku. Let sir remain as unmute. Right, so they can speak whenever he wants. Anybody else?
Ajinath Sharma.
Hi, good evening, sir. Abhishek here.
Hi, bete.
Yeah, sir. So actually, not regarding just the class, but regarding the practical implementation of what you are teaching us.
Yes.
I had mentioned in my last class in the after session that Kotak Mahindra Bank was not processing many requests. And as per your instruction, after writing mails to them and then properly framing the point and asking, telling I will go to the banking ombudsman, they have resolved my issues, and I've actually today received a mail that they've implemented everything that I needed them to do. Thank you very much, sir. I just wanted to share that.
Thank you, Bache. You made my day. Thank you very much. You made my day. Thank you. Anybody else wants to add value to the class? Thank you, Bache. Hey, hello. The value that you got from this young man is, if you have a problem with banks, please tell them banking ombudsman. That is a Gabbar Singh for banks, banking ombudsman. Please note that. Anybody else? Last 2 minutes, because then I'll take business questions. Anybody else wants to? Thank you, Bache. Anybody else wants to contribute? I'll like to where somebody else, because then I can ask the people to go and have their dinner. I'll wait for business questions.
Sir, Mr. Naveen Kumar.
Yes, sir. नवीन जी बोलिए ना सर, 2 मिनट है, फिर सबको रिलीव करना है, फिर क्वेश्चंस लेना है. Where are Mona? Anybody else? Just see if there is one Paul there. I keep asking for him. Is there a George sir there somewhere? George sir no earlier. George no. He should talk about his activities.
Is it Annie George?
Annie George also can speak. She's a lovely kid. She's a born artist, right? But she will not like to speak in a business class. She's my kid. Casey Sethi sir, you please unmute him. He will give a good, solid message, and then those who want to have dinner can exit. I will take business questions. Hello, no theory questions now. Theory questions Friday 7 o'clock. Please up. We will follow this. Hey, unmute Casey Sethi sir. Yeah, he's a very respected senior. He will have something for the youngsters.
Okay.
Casey Sethi sir.
Yes. So you can unmute the Casey Shetty sir.
No problem. So
Okay.
for those of you all, Casey Shetty sir is doing a lot of work for the Bunds community, and they have formed an association, and I have asked them, this association, to go and file a PIL why banks are not passing on the repo cut to customers, because I don't want to do it individually, but I think as an association, if you can do it, all of you all, this is getting crooked now. RBI has cut the interest rates by 0.4%, but banks are not passing it on. Individually, don't file a complaint, but go as an association. Then I'm sure the courts will hear you. But this is very unfair. This is absolutely unfair. Okay, that sets the tempo for today's class. So again, I repeat one last time, right? Most important business inputs. Startup India study करके आना है आपको. थोड़ा आप प्लीज न्यू कंपनी फॉर्मेशन देख के आइएगा, स्टिमुलस पैकेज पढ़ के आइएगा, उद्योग आधार रजिस्टर करिएगा, न्यू डेफिनेशन ऑफ एमएसएमई देखिएगा, प्लीज न्यू डेफिनेशन ऑफ एमएसएमई देखिएगा, convert your loan to repo rate, most important, and last but not the least, extremely important, remember the banking ombudsman. And import substitution is the way to go. Import substitution is the way to go, and exports. Next time I will talk about Make in India and the new company formation. Yes, those who want to have dinner can please exit. I will now wait and take the next half an hour for business questions. And next time's guest speaker is from an industry which is beaten down, but you can see the calmness with which he will speak. Right, Rohan Hegde, my friend, will come and address you all. He'll be a guest speaker. Thank you, those who want to have dinner. Thank you very much. I love you all. Please remember the rule of 72. If you're thinking of growing your income or growing your business, 72 divided by the rate is number of years. 72 divided by the rate is number of years. So if you want to double your income in the next 4 years, 72 divided by 4, which is 18%, should be your growth rate. Thank you, colleagues. You could please exit. Mone, we will take questions, all business questions I want to answer now. Colleagues are in trouble. It will be a pleasure to help them. Yep. Those who want to exit for dinner, please exit.